Last night, Agent Sasco held his Greatful concert on Sunday, December 29, 2024 at the UWI Bowl, which saw hundreds of fans turning out in order to be a part of this festive moment. Even the rain could not hold the fans from enjoying themselves. Links 007 TV Entertainment Update was on hand and captured these moments. We'll be right back after this short break. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV Entertainment Update. Fans turned out in their numbers in order to be a part of Agent Sasco Greatful concert, which saw hundreds of fans turning out in order to be a part of history in the making, and not even the inclement weather could prevent fans from enjoying themselves. The event was built to have performances from Gracie Robinson, Kevin Downswell, Agent Sasco, among many others.
Yeah, man. Big up Otmar, big up Kenny, big up Grasky, the whole entire dub squad. You ready, Otmar? Be awake, stay conscious, concentrate, don't lose your focus. Write a verse, it will take you to a chorus. I know my name is in the lights, I'm on the tour bus. September I'll be gone till August. See the future, you can call me Nostradamus. AMG, plum got the Bramos. I'm making guacamole if I think the avocados. So follow your heart, listen to the music in your head. Chase your dreams, don't let them tell you that it can't be real. No. Follow your heart, dance to the music in your head. Chase your dreams, don't let them tell you that it can't be real. I was born as a writer. Things get tough, switch it up, soul for fighter. Anyway, the pie there, I go for my slice. I put the keys up in the stash, them and roll out in the Chrysler. Panic certified, ask for the island over right. And even the patriots see me. KO down my paisa. Only for dogs, I never pin them head off a life. I saw it. Things get dark, but no one there. Hear me now. Follow your heart, listen to the music in your head. Chase your dreams, don't let them tell you that it can't be real. Sunny day, yeah. Make some noise for yourself, Greatful. Something's got a hold of me lately. No, I don't know myself anymore. Feels like the walls are all closing in, and the devil's knocking at my door. Out of my mind, how many times did I tell you I'm no good at sleeping? Yeah, it's taking a toll on me, trying my best to keep from ripping the skin off my bones. Don't you know I lose control when you're not next to you? Yeah, I'm falling apart right in front of you. Can't you see? I lose control. Because I time to remove all the rocks. Greatful, the world knows me and Jenna. But I'm up to use the link that door. They say the world already have me no step up. Show them a different from where to start Jenna. Oh, cha-cha. When them are going to do this, I'm wrestling. Sasco, this is for you, bro. For a lot of you guys who don't know, Sasco is my classmate from Camperdown High School. Run the rhythm. Ready, 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 ready. Put your hands up, put your hands up, put your... Nobody like you. Everybody, if you're ready, come in, don't see how you are. Put your hand in the day. Well, Greatful, I say. Now come on, everybody. My lazy shoulders, I know the vibe. I know I've got vision more than my eyes can see, and I know I rule my destiny. So no matter how you try, you can never change my mind. I know it kind of feels good, so good, so good.
wanted to come up here and to celebrate. To celebrate, I know this. Okay, to celebrate my dad's 25 years in music and also my late grandma's 72nd birthday. I wanted to come up here and do a song. So yeah. When you're down, when you're on the street, when evening falls so hard, I will lay me down like a bridge over troubled water. I will lay me down. I will whenever you hear me singing, I'm from me heart to the top of the charts. First when we hail the King,
Cause I give me so grateful. No for them do anything for money, anything for hype, anything for them, so they must be going alive. Them do anything for Gucci, anything for Nike, anything for social media, anything for Gator. And them do anything and them say that it's all about survival. Anything is like a movie like the idol. World getting sick cause everybody want go viral. The meditation is a prime and devil. And no for them stand up for nothing. That can on the spinal. Them are not arrive at them in people. Try to keep his spirit. Bring up every rival. Greatful massive say. I try to be here. Bring up massive say.
so when I lose the sight, I'm in the front of anything. What? So you can't use all the protection. When you're your sons can see it. I probably want to put the top on the shot. Sasco charging the Let's sing song to do just what I can. As humble as I am, working towards a goal of making working hands. Perfect and strength and life and let them peace of mind. Good people and good vibe. Give thanks every time in every single line. Lord, I people all over your comfort, can I hear you? So when I look at you, and say, can look at you, I really have to say that I'm strong. I'm praising the most high one. Look at me, we're going from. Now take a look at me, the journey begun. I really have to say
Fire was burning and burning.
So start now.
So let out she was
So. I know a story before she said that he just want her corporate. Find somebody that's corporate.
She said the suit and tie
More appropriate. Him say him now make him daughter stray. But the reggae music she started playing. So then I thought when she saw her play. And that is what she need. My mom must be happy she start to read. I hear stop home and it's all who needs. That's how we want keep her off the street. But who she with? And that be me. More than a day is what she sees. So love and sleep is not
as
to
much as
me.
made by everybody we have been singing a Greatful. She didn't know
what?
to tell him.
Say what?
She was in love.
Never see yourself not in a photo. But every Sunday we see the heavy boat out. Not those resorts and a car dealer flashy. The construction company, they just don't reach it. They use the washing money. Hey, signal, 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 and then we tell them cancel operation. Got no real bad man negotiation. And then what? If you check the situation, what? A blood money rumination. I beg you come take a look in at Jamaica. Injustice in the nation. Before you see no really pays them. Alright. Let's see him with so scene.
I just can't go on when I'm fading. I just check my playlist. Hey, Greatful, and there's a song that I play. The moment I hear it, I feel I'm the greatest. Oh, yes, I got a song that makes me feel like, I can conquer the world. Oh, I said I got a song that lifts my spirit. Hey, Greatful, 'cause I find strength in the world. Oh, you're not for me, I'm sorry. Oh, yes, I got a song that makes me feel. There's no mountain insurmountable. Oh, yeah, I got a song that makes me feel like I'm invincible. Play my level now. I want them show to life. But I put them songs for the people that move my naga dance. But them understand songs like, hey, Greatful, and to work as we get this money, it done, yes, and we feel like let's go take on the ball. As we get the money, it done, don't get us straight it up. Right there, and to work, we get people on Friday, and my Sunday. But do not feel so much fun that we money, we work to our teeth, we like that. A long time we don't see it, gone are the days, when we could have a thing slash them. We lose, we go to chat one day, we not go back there. Get the pay, me pray up in a blessing. We got 3 people, but we never yet catch it. All the lot of them flip it, and I don't want to break the law. One of my friends have a tripod, now mama, this ain't me come to get me jar. Me young girl back of me jar.
Out here, I'm gonna find the position. We just look opportunity, you see me? Tall on them, I see far on them, I'm in a back bar like Laura on them. So here we go on, my brother. Walk you walk the walk and him talk the talk, but from ching bus and to know me, I make talk. I'm like an opposition leader, someone elect talk, never calculate, let's check talk. And me make talk, and I take talk, and I rec talk, and that's an intellect talk. And who don't like how ching talk, agent Sasco with the intellect talk. Alright, intermission cut. Take 50 minus 25, leave 25 minus 20, leave 5. Right, take 5, intermission cut. Let me tell you about Kingston City. Street in a pretty. Happy priest walk on the street, them tricky. Highs them hard, but we still a pre-nicky. Can't move soft like baby pantity. Big spliff about high grade we have. Yeah. Let me that. Can't chip on it, but they stay pretty. Let me tell you this, if you never know. They left the Caribbean and the land of hope. Don't mess around. Pull up. Sasco, love and respect from Chichin.
We are going to make a back again. I rather not the physical woman, no head. She ain't working the ass, we do it for no woman. When she come back, she about, this is what I'm feeling. I feel up her face and I put her them. I said, girl, box me round and stop her there. This is real. A man box my girlfriend, I must have been and they like happy for her. What happened to the rest of the warrior? Hey, you are going to like him back. You are going to baby. When we reach some we woke up and some little children, they just grab them up back. I ask them if I get. They say, no, Mr. Sal, Mr. Who backs the when? Here I say, only folks again. When we turn round, we want to tell you, we go for run. But some people have been here. We say, thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Let's stand up over there, so but knock over there, I'll just make it work, right? Because when we say grateful, not only when the plate full, we have to give thanks in all things. And as much as the rain of fall, may I tell you, if this is not a demonstration of gratitude, I don't know what is. Bounce the umbrella one more time. I make them know, so don't not talk, them can't do it. Oh, don't not talk. Them a talk about, don't not talk, them can't. Oh, we hear some like half an evil talk to be grateful. No rifle, no shotgun, no one pack. Them a call, not a holder. So them a call one shot. Them a answer to you, them say the wrong shot. Put up the one that is your nose, say the song shot. I make the finger like a gun, I must have one shot. No, me
me hear that one more time. Hey, Greatful myself. I want me to you. Put up your one there if you know say this and shot. I make a finger like a gun, I bust a one shot.
Please hold my hand. That's all Lord, we need you. Jesus Christ, we want you. We can't live without you. Please hold my everybody wants to on TikTok as level aspiring telegram bananas. Them they just school and a ton bench farmers. Might as well them khaki was pajamas. Because I sleep them asleep. Yes, them don't know them arithmetic. Them don't know the grammars. Them don't know where to put the full stop on the commas. How about this? Must study in a school and a farm food.